Welcome back, folks. It's your boy Jab Animal back again. Today we're learning how to use a 3D model. And why do we want to use a 3D model? It's going to help us save a ton of time and focus on the things that we actually want to work on. So let's get to Blender right now. Let's start at sketchfab.com. We can look for any model we want. Today I want a rocket, so after browsing I choose this model, and now I can go to download model and I can choose any of these formats. We're here with Mr. Cube. Let's delete him. We'll come up to file, import, and now we can import any of these type of files. I usually like this GLB. When we import an asset, it's common that we may have to clean it up. So let's delete these dots, and now our asset is ready to go. But you see that this asset has different parts. I want to combine these parts, so I'll select everything with A, then press Ctrl J to join all of these meshes. Now we can create our first animation. On frame 1, we can press I, then come to frame 150, move our rocket up, and then press I again. Then we can press space to see our first animation. Now we want to be ethical with downloading assets. For example, if you are on IG and you claim that you're a car designer, you cannot be downloading all your car designs. And we also want to give credit to other artists whenever we can. And that's it for today, guys. Catch me on YouTube, Twitter, or Instagram. I'll see you there.